for joining us here this evening on ET Now. You're watching News Now with me, Nivedna Prabhu. Lots that's lined up in this edition, but clearly our top focus for the hour. Eicher Motors reported rather mixed set of numbers in the fourth quarter. Now, profit rose a little over 27% compared to last year to 1,360 crore, handily beating street expectations. Meanwhile, revenue managed to meet estimates. However, disappointment came in on the margin front. The auto company saw margin shrink to 24% from 26.5%. For more on that, let me cut across to my colleague Shrishti Sharma, joining me over the phone lines with more details. Shrishti, very good evening. Over to you.
Well, yes, when it comes to Eicher Motors numbers, mixed set of numbers coming in, though the revenue has come in line to what we were expecting at ET Now. 5,241 crores is what the company has registered in their top line, but the margins are below than what the street was penciling in. 24% is what the company has clocked in, and that's below the consensus street estimate as well. While in terms of the profit on the back of higher other income as well as higher contribution from VECV as well, 1,362 crores is what the company has registered in the bottom line, and this number is better than what the street was anticipating. But in terms of the highlight, the key to note is that EBITDA per vehicle has dipped to an 8 despite life high quarterly volumes. In the motorcycle business, the management does say that the middleweight segment saw a lot of action from their peers as well. The company is maintaining its focus on the strategic goals, as well as Royal Enfield stood head and shoulders, apart from the fact that the competition was definitely inching higher. Other than that, what we are getting to hear from B. Govindarajan, who is the MD of Eicher Motors and CEO of Royal Enfield as well, he's definitely highlighting the fact that despite a slow start to the year, they are building strong momentum in the second half. They have launched 6 new motorcycles, achieving a record festive season as well. And definitely onto the other upcoming numbers, they are excited what lies ahead. Other than that, all eyes will be on the execution as well. So all in all, mixed set of numbers coming in from Eicher Motors as of now. But yes, there has been a big disappointment on the margins. Back to you.
Right, Shrishti. I appreciate you joining us with all those details and also drawing perspective. But for the moment, we leave it at that. But now